Hello there guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be doing some scratch tips and I can't wait to show you these. So the first scratch tip is actually gonna be to fix the fencing problem. So first you're just gonna have to make like movement and then you have movement. So you like this, right? Until you see that. It's just there. Like, we're gonna do point in direction like 45. Let's go to. Okay, wait. 0, 0. And yeah, I mean, it is gone. But actually, it can also like be there, like the point in direction 90. You know that one. It just still is there. And that's very annoying, right? So there's one thing you can do. You can make a new costume and just make it bigger than the entire frame. Then you can rename it to Big. Big. And you have that costume, okay? You have that ginormous costume. Then we're going to do, instead of that, we're going to do switch to costume big, and then it switches back to costume 1. So it instantaneously just switches to the big costume, and then it switches back to the cat. So it looks like it's just the cat that's moving. And there we go. Or you can also use the size settings, which I recommend, like set size to something much bigger. I'm just gonna do 500, and then we're gonna do set to the size that you actually need. And that also fixes the fencing problem. Then we're gonna do up next is gonna be trails. So I'm just gonna make some nice code. Just so it points towards the mouse pointer and stuff. You know the classic old. Yeah. So it's not really much. You're just move a scratch cat towards your mouse pointer. But you want a trail, right? If you want a trail, then you're just gonna have to add one more block. Create a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, repeat like 10 times a specific value, repeat until something. You can do whatever you will. But we're just gonna do repeat 5 times. Change color effects by 25, and change ghost effect by 10. And then we're gonna do delete the clone. So what this does, it basically makes a clone of itself. It's just gonna be like transparent and very colorful, and then it's just gonna disappear. Look at that. It looks so cool. You can also change the values. Look, you can like make it 50. Like that. You can also make this like 5. But I like it at like 10. No, 10. And you can also change that value. Change color effect by 25. So, wait a second. So, it basically works like that. And it's pretty cool looking too. So, you could just whoa, 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 whoa. See that? Then, we're just gonna go to 0, 0, and point in direction 90. So, we've got that now. Then, we let's say you wanted to make like a nice waving animation. If you want like this up, down, then you can actually just go ahead and do when the green flag is clicked forever, uh set Y to, I don't know, like wait a second. So if you want a nice waving animation, I'm back from the cut because I kind of needed to figure some things out. And we've got that. So it does look kind of difficult, but it's basically just, yeah, checking the position and stuff. You can just do, you just have to put it like that. You can also do like 15. And then it's a little, then you can do 1000 if you want it faster, like that. I keep it at 200 so the FPS is not too low, because 100 is kind of, yeah, you can really see it snapping. So I don't really like that. So 200 is smoother. But you can also do the same thing for the direction. You know how? You just have to duplicate these blocks, but before that, you put it into a plus 90. Just 90. We're just gonna do, hello? We're just gonna do 90, put it there, and boom. Would you look at that? You can adjust the values like 100. So it kind of looks pretty cool. You can also change the values here. You can change these three values and these two here, but I recommend you keep that one to 90 because you seriously don't want it to be like that. Now, do you? Unless you want it to be like that, so yeah. But yeah, that's basically the nice waving animation that we've got going on right here. And yeah, you can just, I'm just gonna delete that now because we don't really need it. Go to 0, 0 and point in direction 90. There we go. And those were just 3 nice, useful scratch tips. And let me know if you want more tutorials. And yeah, you just comment down below if you have any video ideas, because I'm kind of out of ideas. I can make more bosses from Terraria, maybe even like other animations on Scratch, or more boss fights, tutorials on how to make certain things like a tentacle or catching game or something. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye, or peace out.